Hi everyone, this is Kimo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa tayo ng reaction video sa Barda compilation. Wait lang, so without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Wait lang na ano ako nawala. Wait lang. Ay, ito. Wait.
Thank you.
Dito muna tayo kay Barda United. Ay, ito, wait lang. Focusing on business and sports. David, ikaw who gives business tips for first-time entrepreneurs. Halatang solo era talaga sila. Solo era talaga sila. Ay, final set tour with NSD Boost. Tingnan nga natin to. At dahil dyan, kakain muna tayo ng may cheese whiz na naman tayo. Hindi naman girl at hindi. Oh?
How are you doing? I'm good. How are you doing? I'm good. Ilang sequences ka pa? Ilang sequences ka pa? 99. 99?
Ano daw?
Ano yung pinakamahirap na eksena ng Gusto ka naman? Gusto ka?
Ate,
Okay
hi.
naman, bakit?
1340.
How are you doing? I'm good. How are you doing? I'm good. Ilang sequences ka pa? Ilang sequences ka pa? 99. 99? Ano yung pinakamahirap na eksena ng ginawa mo ngayon?
Here, 3-9.
Yung kasama kita.
Oo, di ba pala?
Paano yung kasama mo si Jisoo? Second yun. Si Jisoo tanungin natin, baka mahirapan din siya sa'yo. Jisoo, asan ka na? Jisoo, may tanong kami para sa... Ay, para sa Jisoo.
Yes, ako!
I have a question for you. What's the hardest scene you have done today? This one. With David, no?
Yes.
Yeah, sabi sa'yo, nahirapan din siya sa'yo eh. Ostrich.
Layo ka.
Basta kayo. Naman sila direct pa, sila rin writers minsan. Depende sa mga. Pause audio man. After yun na, panoorin niyo yung scene namin. Kuha niyo. Never say that.
Okay.
Hi everyone! I'm Barbie Forteza, and after so long, I'm finally back here at the Avignon Clinic. Let's go! Opo! Something's different. Nawala yung chandelier na malaki, pero mas lumawak yung ceiling dun sa taas. Ay, obog. High ceiling na yan siya. Ay, ang ganda. Oh! Newly renovated. I love it. So good to be back. So today, I am doing 4 treatments. Yes, you heard it right. 4 treatments. Let's see if kaya ko. At kung pwede, syempre may doctor's consultation.
Ganing, and then no downtime din siya. Possible redness lang after the procedure, which will subside din naman within a few hours.
Oh, okay.
Parang siyang si Grace G. Grabe naman na ni baby. Bayat ah.
Ay, grabe. I really needed this. Kung naririnig nyo, di ba parang umiinom yung skin ko? Niinom niyo yung vitamins na ni-infuse ni ate. So, this is my self-care moment talaga. I missed this. Next, Exilis. This helps with skin tightening and contouring. Ang nice because it's non-invasive, but it feels like you're really doing something for your skin. Third is Zerf AI treatment for skin tightening and lifting. This is perfect if you want that firm, lifted look. Very fresh, very snatched. Mare, andito na ako, finally. Sir Chris, I'm here! Julian San Jose Challenge accepted na nga talaga.
Julian San Jose.
And lastly,
Ay, yung kilikili
Sweat
niya.
Talks for my underarms.
Sweat
Perfect,
Talks.
especially when you're always on the go,
sakit.
taping,
Ako
working, and if
nasasaktan.
you want to feel fresh and confident. Para hindi pawisin ng atake. 4 treatments in 1 day? Done! Avignon Clinic, grabe kayo. Sobrang thank you talaga for pampering me and for spoiling me today. To my fellow Avignon ambassadors, china-challenge ko kayo, how many treatments can you do in 1 day? See you here at Avignon. This time, it's Avignon.
Ganda nun. This time, it's Avenue. Never ba naging Bello Baby si, Barbie? Anyways, OMG, so Texas, bakit kayo masyado kayo problemado sa amin? Kayo lang naman ang tinitin. Kung sa inyo wala na, di wala. Bakit pati dilulo namin problema at stress kayo? Kami na bahala sa dilulo namin. Move on na kayo. Totoo nga naman. Ay, nakabantay na pala si Rose. Sabi ko rin, andyan pa nga si Rose. Nandang markada na din. Binantay na yan. Nakabantay talaga pag makabantay talaga kaya mo talaga walang buka sa totoo lang. Binantay na yan. Wala na. Saan na lang?
Happy Mother's Day po, Miss Sharon Vanessa! Oh my gosh, grabe! Hindi ko talaga alam kung sasabihin ko, pero just really honored that I was asked to give you a message. Grabe, I'm so excited to work with you po. I can't wait to learn from you po and to see you a lot on set. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi and idol, sobrang idol.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Ano ba? Kailan ba talaga? Ay, wait. Dito muna tayo. Ay, ano to? Wow. Anyways. Ay, eto.
Ano ba dapat abangan?
Abangan ka dun. Sa God bless.
Good luck na lang sa last mo.
Good luck din sa'yo.
Sige.
Inisip ko kasi muna kung sino yung celebrity crush ko Hollywood
Panoodin natin. Pero bakit naman may ganong atake? Sandali lang. Anyways, patuloy muna natin ito. This is Kipo Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!